Linking your bank account to Skyvia can streamline your data management and integration processes. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Skyvia account. Visit the Skyvia website and sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Access the data integration section. Log into a Skyvia account and navigate to the data integration section. This area allows you to manage connections and data sources effectively. Step 3. Add a new connection. Click on the option to add a new connection. Select your bank from the list of available services. If your bank is not listed, check for any alternative options or integrations that may be available. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Test the connection. After entering your bank account details, test the connection to ensure it is working correctly. Skyvia will confirm whether the link is successful or if any issues need to be addressed. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Skyvia, allowing for efficient data integration and management.